inside your head. There was once a day that I would pray when you was gonna misbehave. Just so you know, this you know that you can get down from across the door. Don't let them guide your life towards what a hell of a view.
I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. We sip wine, I drink straight, don't waste time, you're my place. I feel my heart erase. Catch me if I fall.
Figure out what you like, find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards the grind. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. New friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, chase an action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. Don't try to keep me walking down. I'm falling fast, sitting here praying the lights gon' last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, it's a long night and the sheets all black. I'm falling fast, remember life before you that's fast.
I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight, don't waste time, it's in my place. I feel my heart erase, so catch me if I fall.
They don't wanna see me care. Anytime I make some progress, I can see that they compare. I think everyone detects me, maybe something in the air. And I'm paranoid, I swear my voice warning, and they're scared I walk a straight path. Not many can say that. I like to play fast, cross me and there's payback. You better pray that I don't see your face at any place that I go. I know you hate that. I've been doing fine, I'm not wasting any more time. There was once a day that I would pray for